Welcome to our roundup of the best electric dryers this year. Whether you're living in an apartment, managing a busy household, or just looking for a convenient way to dry clothes quickly, we've handpicked the top electric dryers that deliver efficient drying, compact design, and user-friendly features, all crafted to make laundry easier and faster. We'll break down each dryer's key features like power output, drying capacity, drying time, compactness, energy efficiency, and ease of use, so you can find the perfect fit for your home. Don't forget to check the description box below for the latest price and deals. Let's dive in and find the ultimate electric dryer for you. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the Uhimi 1400W Mini Dryer. Uhimi is known for compact, portable home appliances, and this mini dryer is perfect for small apartments, dorms, or travel. It features a 1400W heating element, providing fast and efficient drying, while its lightweight, foldable design makes it easy to store when not in use. The dryer supports clothes, shoes, and small bedding items, with adjustable temperature and timer settings for customized drying. Its quiet operation is ideal for apartments or shared living spaces, and the included removable lint filter ensures easy maintenance. Uhimi is praised for its portability, fast drying, and user-friendly operation, though users note that it cannot handle large loads, and extended drying of thick fabrics may take longer. Overall, it's a great mini dryer for personal or small-scale laundry needs. Next up at number 4 is the Midea Electric Dryer. Midea is a trusted brand in home appliances, and this model is designed for medium-sized laundry loads, perfect for single users or couples. It features efficient heating with adjustable temperature, delivering consistent drying results without damaging fabrics. The dryer includes timer settings, multiple heat levels, and a compact design, making it suitable for apartments, laundry rooms, or travel. Its quiet operation ensures it won't disturb your household, and the removable lint filter simplifies maintenance. Midea is praised for its consistent drying performance, energy efficiency, and ease of use, though some users mention limited load capacity and longer drying times for heavier items. Still, it's a solid mid-range choice for small to medium households. Coming in at number 3 is the Laundry Alternative Lightweight Dryer. Laundry Alternative focuses on eco-friendly, compact drying solutions. This lightweight dryer features innovative airflow technology to dry clothes efficiently without high energy consumption, making it ideal for eco-conscious users or small apartments. It can handle clothing, delicates, and small bedding items with adjustable timer and temperature control. Its foldable design ensures it can be stored easily, and its quiet operation makes it perfect for shared living spaces. Laundry Alternative is praised for its energy efficiency, portability, and quiet performance, though some users note it takes longer to dry heavier fabrics and capacity is limited for larger households. It's a great eco-friendly option for compact living spaces. Overall, it's a great mini dryer for personal or small-scale laundry needs. At number 2, we have the Desize Electric Dryer. Desize offers a premium small to medium electric dryer designed for apartments, offices, and dorm rooms. It features powerful drying with adjustable heat settings, ensuring fast and thorough drying for clothing and delicates. The dryer supports medium-sized loads, has a removable lint filter for easy cleaning, and its compact footprint makes it perfect for tight spaces. With quiet operation, it's ideal for those who need to dry clothes without disturbing the household. Desize is praised for its fast drying, compact design, and reliable performance, though some users mention larger loads require more time, and space for multiple dryers may be necessary in bigger households. Still, it's a top choice for small to medium laundry needs. Finally, at number 1, we have the Uhimi 1500 Wet Clothes Dryer. This high-performance electric dryer is perfect for apartment dwellers, small families, or frequent travelers. With a 1500W heating element, it delivers fast, efficient drying while remaining compact and lightweight for easy storage and portability. It features adjustable timer and temperature settings, a removable lint filter, and quiet operation, making it ideal for bedrooms, dorms, or shared spaces. The dryer efficiently handles clothes, shoes, and delicates, providing versatile drying options without taking up significant space. Uhimi is praised for its powerful drying, compact design, and reliability, though users note capacity is limited for large loads, and thick items may require multiple cycles. For those seeking a premium, portable electric dryer for home or travel, this is the ultimate choice. And that wraps up our top 5 best electric dryers in this year. From the mini Uhimi 1400W to the efficient Midea, eco-friendly laundry alternative, reliable Desize, and top-tier Uhimi 1500W. There's a dryer here for every household, lifestyle, and laundry need. Which one would you choose? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest reviews. And make sure to check the description for the latest price and deals so you can grab the perfect electric dryer for your home today. Thanks for watching.